Good morning, State Line, and happy Thursday. I have our guest forecaster here with us today. Usually we do it on Friday. We have our Friday forecaster, but I'm going to be out of the studio tomorrow. We have Tyler joining us. Good morning, Tyler.
Good morning.
Now, baseball is your strong suit, I hear. Usually I'd be using this to measure snow, and we had quite a bit of snow Sunday and into Monday. Now, you would probably be using it as a baseball bat, right?
Yep.
Yeah, exactly. Now, let's see. You did a pretty good job with the forecast last time. You ready to do it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start with our weather headlines. What are we tracking? What's the first thing on the weather headlines?
Some slick spots because of the rain coming.
Yep, and we saw a little bit of light snow last night, creating some slick spots, so take it slow this morning. And then what are we expecting tonight?
Freezing rain mix tonight.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a wintry mix tonight and into early portions of your Friday morning, with also some fog developing. So take it slow tomorrow morning, and then into the weekend, it's looking what?
Warmer with rain Saturday, flooding potential.
Yeah, we definitely have the potential for some heavy rain on Saturday, so take it slow out there because we're going to be looking at quite a bit of flooding concerns throughout the State Line area. Grounds are already saturated, but they're covered with quite a bit of snow, right?
Yep.
Do you like the snow?
No.
Okay, so that snowstorm the other day was not
Nope.
for you. Now, see, you preferred last year. This is last year here,
Yep.
and we had hardly any snow across the United States. But with all the snow on the ground, like you mentioned, we're going to be dealing with some flooding concerns. So do keep that in mind. Temperatures are going to be rather warm this weekend, near 40 degrees, and it's going to be windy out there. Take a look at this picture here from our window world. Thanks to Alice for sending it in. What about that snowman there? You think he's going to last over the next few days?
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. He's probably going to end up like Frosty and melted right to the ground because it's going to be a rainy one. So if you're going to go out and play in the snow, today is probably the best bet for that. Where are we going to be warming it up to this weekend?
Saturday, 40 degrees, and then Sunday, 39.
Awesome. A nice warm up, but it comes along with a little rain. Not going to last all that long, right?
Nope.
Cooling it down into early next week. Let's take a look at our current conditions out our Mercy Health Skycam at Poplar Grove Airport. Where are we sitting temperature-wise this morning?
28 degrees.
28 degrees, but it feels closer to 22 with that little bit of that wind out there. Where else are the temperatures this morning? You want to point out some towns? Try pointing on that green screen.
Let's see. Janesville, 28. Rockford, 28. DeKalb, 28. So pretty much same everywhere.
Yeah, Poplar number is 28 this morning. A lot warmer than yesterday morning. Some 20 to nearly 25 degrees warmer. Winds aren't that big of a concern today. By the time we get to Saturday with that rain, it's going to be rather breezy out there. Okay, we're going to map it out temperature-wise throughout the day today. Warming it up to, what about the high temperature? Right around 3 o'clock there?
34 degrees.
34 degrees, so warmer than the last few days, which would be a nice warm-up. Now, you said you're a coffee drinker, so we're definitely going to want to grab that coffee this morning, right? A little bit of a chilly start?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely. Not as cold, though, as yesterday. We needed it for max warming yesterday. Yeah. Okay, now we can see some clouds here on satellite and radar. The light snow is pushed off your way, off to the east. Wider view, we'll keep the clouds around throughout the day today. Now, you're going to map it out here with Futurecast. You said some freezing rain moving in tonight. But first, we got to build in the clouds. And then you want to point to that freezing rain that's going to be moving into the area?
Right up here.
There it is. It's going to be sliding into the area, making a little bit of a hazard for your travel commute for your Friday morning. Cloudy to partly cloudy throughout Friday, but then again, another chance for a wintry mix Friday night and into the start of Saturday before more rain moves in. Okay, you're going to recap it here for us. Your forecast today, what are we warming it up to this afternoon?
34 degrees.
34 degrees with a few flakes this morning, otherwise mostly cloudy. We'll bump it up to a moderate weather risk tonight with temperatures down into the 20s. What are we expecting tonight?
26 degrees.
26 degrees with a little bit of freezing rain?
Yep.
Yeah, especially late tonight and into the start of your Friday commute. What's Friday looking like?
36 degrees.
36 degrees, so even warmer, something to keep looking forward to. With some fog to start off the morning, a little bit of mixed precipitation lingering in. Let's go join Jay and Kathleen over there as we take a look at that 7-day forecast. And it shows a warm up into the weekend. Temperatures near 40 degrees, which is nice, but we got to keep that flooding potential in the forecast throughout the weekend, with temperatures then falling down into the 30s next week. How about that? Multi-talented here. Can play baseball and forecast the weather.
I was hoping you'd take the stick and whack you with it, but...
See, I measure snow with it, and he'd use it as a baseball bat.
All right, well, thanks so much. And coming up after the break, we're going to hear his incredible story, so stay with us.